Scorpio 2017 Career and Money Horoscope. Saturn remains in your money sector to start the year, and is in this sector until mid-December, so you may still feel a bit pinched financially this year, especially at the start with Mercury retrograde for a few days in January in your money sector, and at the end with Mercury retrograde in your money sector in December. You need to buckle down and be very serious with your finances. Stick to budgets, do research before you make big purchases, seek out sound advice from people who know what they're talking about, and try not to rush into anything. Do your best to work on bad spending habits and to cultivate a healthy attitude toward money. If you do things right, you can set yourself up long-term. Mars is in your work sector in February, with Uranus still in this sector this year, and you can be most productive and get a lot done then. You can take on new work projects, start new work ventures, or pursue new employment opportunities. You can have plenty of energy for work and for getting things done, and your work ethic can be great. Make the most of this in February because come March, Venus is retrograde in your work sector, and you can have difficulty sticking to deadlines or schedules, be lazier with the work you need to be doing, or have no love for what you have to work on. Give yourself lots of time to get things done, and try not to pawn off too much on other people. A lunar eclipse occurs in your career sector in February, and this can be an excellent time for rewards for hard and smart work. You can reach the top with something or feel like you're hitting your stride and see things pay off. On the other hand, if you haven't been doing things right, you can experience a setback or delay with a lunar eclipse, and need to work on getting back on the right track. A solar eclipse occurs in your career sector in August, and Mars will also be in your career sector that month. You can make great strides and progress with your goals, set new goals for yourself, feel more ambitious and driven, and have more opportunities to pursue your goals. The only issue is Mercury will retrograde in your career sector the first week of September, which might make you have to go back over some